nomenclature. So IUPAC nomenclature. First, formulae. Writing formula. Writing formula. Writing formulas. So how we can write the formulas? First, rules. So first list central metal atom list first. Central metal atom listed first. First central metal atom listed first. Then after ligands. Okay, after that ligands according to their alphabetical order. Central metal atom listed first. After that alphabetical. After that all ligands represented alphabetical order. Okay, now example for example compound here Cl2 NH3 4. This is a complex. For this complex, this is chloro ligand, this is amine ligand. This is chloro, this is amine. So this is wrong. So what is correct? First center in the complex, always first write the central metal atom, cobalt. Central metal cobalt first write. Okay. After that the ligands according to alphabetical order. Alphabetical order means amine first, A first. So amine NH3. Then how many are there? 4 are there. After that chlorines Cl2 plus 1. This is correct. So first central metal atom listed. After that ligands according to alphabetical order. Okay. Next, atomic molecules, polyatomic molecules. Polyatomic molecules mean they are like more than one atoms containing ligands. Polyatomic ligands. Atomic ligands. Example H2O. This is one ligand, but there are oxygen, 2 hydrogens, 3 atoms. Ammonia, okay, and PH3, triphenyl phosphine. So these are polyatomic molecules. So polyatomic ligands and abbreviated ligands. Abbreviated ligands mean they have more name, full name. The name is not possible to write, complete name not possible to write in the complex. So that's why its abbreviation form we can write. So for example, EN, ethylene diamine, ethylene 1,2 diamine, DMG, dimethyl glyoxine, etc. So dimethyl glyoxine, complete full form, it is not possible to write in the complex. So that's why polyatomic ligands and abbreviated ligands can be write according to alphabetical order and also keep parentheses. Polyatomic ligands and abbreviated ligands write parenthesis mean in the bracket, we have to keep in the bracket. Example, cobalt, NH3, En, and also H2O 2 plus 2. This is a complex. This is wrong. Why? Because here central atom first alphabetical order. This is amine. This is ethylene diamine. Ethylene diamine. And this is aqua. So alphabetical order A first, then after E. So first A first, tarvata M. If A competition goes to next letter M. So amine is first, then after aqua, then after ethylene diamine. So correct representation is cobalt, amine, diamine, and diaqua, and En. This is abbreviated ligand. Abbreviated ligand means we have to take its abbreviation. From full form we are taking abbreviation. Ethylene diamine is the real name, but we are taking En only because not possible to write complete here. So En and abbreviated ligands and polyatomic ligands are keep in the bracket. Then after plus 2. So this is correct. Next. The entire coordination entity write in the square bracket. Entire coordinate entire coordinate formula that is coordinate right in a square bracket. So right in the square bracket here metal and also the ligands, n number of ligands. So next to the charge for charged complexes, that mean for ions. Charged complexes nothing but ions. For charged complexes, the charge will be represented at right side at a superscript here. Charge should be represented here plus or minus, okay na, n charge. The charge must be represented right side of the complex square bracket at right side superscript. So here n equal to what? So for example question, here iron CN6, okay na, here plus or minus n. If iron oxidation number is plus 2, if iron oxidation number is plus 2, then what is n value question. So for this, simply your iron they have given plus 2, so that is iron equal to plus 2 plus iron equal to plus 2 and 6 cyanides. So 6 into each cyanide carries minus 1 oxidation state. Each cyanide kitna? Minus 1. So minus 1 equal to, here what is n is present, write n write n. So if you simplify, then n value will get to how much? Minus 4. N equal to how much? Minus 4 you will get. So this is the charge. For charged complexes, the charge must be written at the top side of the superscript, right side superscript. Now, writing formulas. Next, writing the names. Writing names. So just now we discussed about the writing formulas. Now writing the names. Next, here also rules. Number 1. Rules. First, the cation. Okay, now the cation may be complex or simple atom. Complex or simple ion. It should be first name. Cation may be complex or counter ion. It first represents. It gives first. Okay, na? Cation may be complex or counter ion. It name first. It name is first. After ligands. After that, ligands according to alphabetical. According to alphabetical order. So here, that means, for example, here sodium chloride. Left side is always cation, right side is anion. Sodium chloride. This is a cation, this is a anion. Sodium chloride. Same way, this is simple molecule, but the case of complex compounds, so for example, this. Here Na equal to this total. Then after this, Na equal to this total. Here Na, this is chlorine equal to. I am write here again chlorine, for example. Here chlorine. NaCl type of this total complex is equal to cation, then chloride equal to chloride. Then left side always cation, right side always anion. So in the name, first tell the name for this, then after this. So this name is tetraamine. Okay, now like that. So it is first in the name. Complex first. That means cation first in the name. First in the name. After this, second. It is a second. Okay, that. Now, next row. After writing the central metal atom, after name the central metal atom, write oxidation number in Roman letter, Roman numbers in brackets, in a bracket. After write the central metal atom, write the oxidation number in the Roman letters, in square in the bracket. Next third. For the case of ligands, Case of ligands. Ligands naming. Ligands naming, first thing is according to alphabetical order. First, according to alphabetical order. Number 2. This is first priority. First, according to alphabetical order, name. Second thing is anionic ligands. Anionic ligands end with O. Hydroxo, amido, like that. Chlorido, like that. End with O. And specially halogens end with ido, I-D-O, end with ido. Example, chlorido. If chlorine is present, chlorido. If bromine is present, bromido. Okay na? Fluorido, like that. Then other ligands end with O. Okay na? Hydroxo, amido, cyano, like that. And cationic ligands. Cationic ligands end with ion. End with IUM. Okay na? IUM. Example, NO2 plus. Nitronium. Cationic ligands end with IUM, nitronium, like that. Next to